Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong December money reading. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. Ayan, thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay and pa-follow like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH, and please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga prosperity and protection items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, Aquarius, let's see your money energies for December. You have the first house, arrival. So this is about yourself. So I think meron kang mga i-improve sa sarili mo, no? This can be anything. Pwedeng the way you carry yourself, ang pananamit mo, or yung impression mo sa sarili mo. You want to make a good impression sa trabaho na syempre ikaw yan sarili mo yan. So you are someone na gusto mong mas mapabuti yung iyong sarili, yung alam mo, yung iyong knowledge, yung skills mo. So I think you are taking care more about yourself. You also have think. This is Pallas Athena. So I think this is about being solo, no? Yung meron ka mga ideas na you are keeping para sa sarili mo. Pwedeng may mga plans ka na hindi mo muna pinapaalam sa iba kasi gusto mo muna maging sigurado sa mga bagay na gusto mong simulan na mga bagong chapter sa buhay mo, sa iyong finances, sa iyong career, sa business mo. So you're still keeping it to yourself. You also have the Page of Cups. So this is about the things that makes you feel good. Maaring meron kang mga papasukin na endeavors, trabaho, business, or career ngayong December na kung saan uunahin mo yung pag-enjoy, no? It's not just about the money, hindi lang sa kung ano yung makukuha mo doon na pera or income, but also you want to make sure na nag-enjoy ka sa ginagawa mo. No, kumbaga bonus na lang yung kumikita ka ng pera. You have the Nine of Swords. So meron kang worries, no? Meron kang mga pag-aalala. Iniisip mo siguro paano mo sisimulan 'yan. Posible ba 'yon na can you make it happen na you just want to have fun and at the same time you're going to earn money? Yes, posible 'yon. Na mas nga siya, mas makakapag-attract pa nga siya ng abundance kapag you are having fun with what you do. Kasi mas masaya, mas positive yung energies mo. So you don't have to worry about that, Aquarius. Kasi pwedeng may mga taong nagdi-discourage sa'yo na wag mong gawin kasi, it's not practical. But I think, ano man tong ipupurso mo ngayong December, as long as you are enjoying, you love what you're doing, it will pay off, no? With the Empress card. There's abundance in you. You have a lot of talents and skills na pwede mong pagyamanin. Oo, marami kang kakayanan. You're going to be very productive ngayong December. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng nasa agriculture, meron kayong mga ani, harvest, no? May mga anihin kayo, or pwede rin tong metaphorical na ito na yung panahon na pag-ani doon sa mga pinaghirapan at inefortan ninyo sa trabaho nyo, sa career nyo, sa business ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo, papasok kayo sa isang beauty business. So, pwede itong mga skincare, beauty and wellness, mga pampaganda, or anything that will help enhance the physical self, no? The physical body. You have the Four of Cups. So, I think isa sa challenge ninyo ngayong December is yung comparison nyo sa ibang tao. Pwede kasing you are comparing yourself to others, or iniisip mo bakit si ganito mas maunlad, or bakit siya na-achieve niya yung goals niya. So, mas maganda kasi na you are focused on your own abilities, on your own gifts. Kasi you have a lot of blessings coming in ngayong December. Kailangan lang mag-focus ka dun sa blessings. You have the Five of Swords. You're going to be very competitive ngayong December. Just make sure lang din na this is a healthy competition, na hindi mo masyadong pepersonalin yung mga taong nakikipagkompetensya sa'yo. And be careful rin sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. Especially if they're offering something na, oy, easy money, no? Iwasan mo yun kasi mukhang meron dito na pwedeng mag-offer sa'yo ng easy money but it's not going to work sa yung advantage, no? So with the Ten of Pentacles, I also see you gaining more money from your parents or merong tutulong sa'yo from your family and merong inheritance dito, so pwedeng meron kang mamanahin sa iyong parents, sa iyong ancestors, yung tipong hinihintay mo na lupa or a certain amount of money na makukuha mo is matatanggap mo na ngayong December. You also have the King of Cups and the Three of Wands. So, this is good luck. This is going on an adventure. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, meron kayong ipupursue na project na it requires a lot of traveling or a lot of adventure na meron kang kailangang i-explore. Okay? So, whatever this is going to be fun. This is going to be exciting kasi ang daming movement for you ngayong December. Maraming travel para sa inyo. Pwedeng you are traveling to learn, you are traveling to pakikipagkalakalan, trading, no? Oo, trading with others. So, it requires travel. Meron ding good news na parating sa inyo. So, pwedeng ito yung mga hinihintay nyo na mga balita about your business, about your career, mga paperworks, documentation. So, yan ay parating na. See, meron talagang travel opportunities for you. Some of you, pwedeng abroad ito, no? Yung iba naman, local travel. Pero it seems like you're going to discover new ways to earn money while traveling. So, maging maingat din daw sa paggastos ng pera. Hindi porket merong pumapasok na pera is kailangan na natin gastusin. So, maging wais din daw sa pag-handle ng finances. So, yung iba sa inyo, you're going to create new money, no? May mga ideas ka na maiisip na magbibigay to ng opportunity sa'yo na mag-open ng bagong source of income. And yung iba sa inyo, meron ditong promotion. You are upgrading sa career ninyo. Meron opportunity to become authority or becoming a leader. May leadership role. So, you are learning all aspects of spiritual connection and reaching new heights. Yan. So, for those who are into spirituality, lalo na kung ito ay inyong career, so, syempre, meron dyang upgrade, you are improving. Okay, the magical and unique qualities of your untapped potentials are unfolding now. So, this is self-discovery. Alam mo na ngayon yung iba mo pang potential para mas mapaunlad mo yung iyong sarili. Let go of convention and follow your own unique path. Yes. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na minsan may tendency tayo na i-compare yung abilities natin sa iba. We are all unique. So, importante na doon ka mag-focus sa pagiging unique mo, yung inyong sarili mong talents and skills na pwede mong i-improve. Okay? And follow your own unique path. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.